Want to jumpstart your success on keto? Click the link below to get your very own custom keto diet plan and get started today.